Y'all like the sound of that 350, gang? That thing sounds crazy on them downshifts. I've never really heard one, and I know bro's pushing too a little bit, so y'all gotta check bro out as well. Sounds crazy. This lineup is crazy. We already got 12E on them. We downtown Greenville with it though, chat. So y'all get in the city POV drive too, and the same thing. Where'd the GTR bean go, gang? I think we about to relocate at the QT, so we got a little stranded from pack, no cap. Our pack work is not there today, chat. Hopefully, they ain't make the light, gang. Big GTR, big C8, man. Chat, we should have all the whips. We relocating big M3 carbon all over that John. Big Supra. Oh. How you doing? How's it going, bro? Chilling. Sounds crazy. I haven't heard it in person yet.
It's like the wrong turner.
Bro, I don't know. We got all.
Dylan said GSP, so I was like, it's gonna be at the airport. I was confused. Like, ain't no way they better send that bitch down for a car show.
For a car show? That'd be crazy.
So that's how I went.
How you doing, bro? Bailey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, my brother. Type R. Beautiful, bro.
Thank you, bro. It's a little dirty. It just be sitting there. Yes, sir. Little 1LE.
Look at some chicle.
Hey, I'm the carbon, bro. I did not know that.
I'm the dash.
Damn.
It's right there. I think I don't really know the differences between all of them. Some of them is like black right there. Some of them have that carbon piece.
This is like an extra good package.
It's the 1LE, so it comes with like dive planes, bigger tires up front, the wing, a bunch of different random stuff. So this is like how it comes. It's a 2020. You got the Supra or which one?
Yeah.
You like it?
I know this thing fucking, yeah, I just got it.
It's cheaper online.
About 5 days ago.
Yeah, you still got that plate on there. Yeah.
It's 20 online.
It's 20 online? Yes, I can pay with card.
What is it? What is it for this place we're going?
Yeah.
I'm
not gonna probably pay to get in. I'm just gonna probably park somewhere else. I know I'm not staying there. I'm just saying, like to actually get in, you gotta pay.
Like in the show?
Yeah.
Y'all already bought tickets now?
I got cash.
I don't got cash, so
I'm
I'm gonna have to buy one.
Cash.
I'm gonna have to buy one online.
Cash. Just pay me back or something. I got cash.
Alright, I got.
I'm not gonna lie, Jacob. You don't even gotta go get money. I still have all my money from the fucking.
Jacob got your cash app or
All
something?
that money to get.
We got all the apps. All the apps, but yes, man, if y'all haven't seen my video of the GTR, y'all gotta go tap in with the ride along, because I did make a video with this already. Insane whip, chat. You know what I'm saying? And you see the track tires all the way around, gang. And you see it ain't regular. 350 as well, chat. Y'all can see all the whips right here, gang. I'm POV in person. What y'all think, chat? What y'all thinking, chat? It's looking crazy as ever. Y'all let me know which car y'all think is your favorite, gang. Shoosh. I'm POV. Y'all see Dill. Y'all see him. Hi.
What do you do for work?
I do a lot of stuff.
We're filming right now.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
How you doing? What's your name?
Alian?
Which car you got?
What?
Which car are you driving? The Supra? You like it?
Yes.
It's fun?
Yes.
Is it fast?
Looks fast.
He said he takes you to school in it?
No.
No? You gotta get him to drop you off at school.
Yeah.
Or pick you up or something, definitely. You like this car too?
Yes.
What's your favorite car?
Say
You think so? You don't like the GTR?
I do love it.
Yeah, this one's crazy. This one's pretty cool. Well, GTR being looking good, chat.
Suck back 20 miles out of the
I know. Well, we turn around everywhere.
That was fun enough to shoot back the gap, but
Yeah, that was fun. I'm having fun. The Type R.
I guess we ready.
What y'all think, man? I think got a rep on it. Animes. That's what you need. You need an anime wrap on yours.
Man, I seen I was at Audi yesterday. They had this McLaren 18.
They look.
$237,000.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Still nice though.
dude, it was fast car I've seen. I don't know.
I like those better than the R8s. Troy said you didn't like the R8? The inside of it.
I don't know, man. That's some bitch McLaren. I'd have to trade Dad and my damn brand new BMC in on
It might be worth it though.
I don't know.
But you got to have a truck, or you can use the work truck.
Yeah, I got 15 trucks.
How you doing? Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Just there, bro.
Really? Is it nice?
It's so nice. Got a super
Bunch of Yeah, do your thing, bro. The GTR is getting that attention, man. Y'all see it, chat. Yeah.
You got an Instagram, bro?
Yeah. That boy plugged in. You get this GTR, he's swinging it.
Oh, so y'all be swinging y'all shit?
No.
You said that's y'all, nigga?
That's you.
Y'all need to come, huh?
That would be crazy to see a GTR swinging, huh?
I'm saying,
Yeah, that'd be wild.
meets, bro.
Bro, I'll be out there, but I don't slide. Do what? That GBL stuff? You know that GBL underground or whatever it is?
Not underground. Fuck underground.
Underground, you don't like that?
We about to box with them tonight.
Why?
Cause fuck underground. We pull up this mob, nigga.
What cars y'all be pulling up at? Y'all don't go to that same lot?
We pull up Beamers and shit.
Y'all got a different lot? Or
Now, we
y'all just be
have
chilling?
different lots than them, but sometimes they pull up to
Yeah.
our shit, try to take over, so we just try to kick them out.
Yeah. Y'all just be bullshit. Oh, it's good to see y'all, bro. Y'all be safe, bro. Yes, sir. Appreciate it, gang. Appreciate it. Man, hella love in the city, chat. Y'all see what we on, chat. Sorry, bro. Appreciate it. A little disrespectful, but we got to keep the gang together because we tend to get lost, man. No kitty. Yeah, big GTR bean, man. The city is showing love. They said that car show's heavy, so I'm hoping to see some lamb chops, McLarens, something like that. I'm a big exotic fan now because as y'all can see, bro, if you don't know, I'm about to be the next supercar owner in this city. No cap. No kitty. Gosh, bro, I could just eat a big #1 from Chick-fil-A on that fat wing, bro. Wild, chat. I could sit on that, eat a good plate of booty hole, suck some toes. You know what I'm saying? Shardy, if you watching, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to put you on that bench. I'm about to eat that booty. Yeah. Airport car show, man. I just peeped some snap. We gonna have airplanes launching. Y'all definitely not gonna want to miss that next video. Not gonna want to miss it unless they got music playing out there. Oh, also wide body cat. Shout out that. Go to Import Auto Mall if you want a blue body cat. It looks like it had a Vickers wide body though, gang. Free plug, bro. Auto Mall. If you watching this, tap me in, bro. I need 10% of that sale. No cap, or I'm stealing it. Chat gang, we about to pull in now. As you can see, we at GDA, Greenville Downtown Airport, chat. So it should be a wild one. We about to run this light, make sure this car stop. Know what I'm saying? Ooglat. We running that, gang. Yeah. And your boy don't got cash, so if we don't get in, that's on me, gang. You know your boy, the cash outdated, chat. But I guess we launching on the test strip right here, chat. If I had the bikes though, gang, parking $5 cash. I don't got cash. I got $1 though, and I got a Tampa casino coin. They might take that. Parking is $5, chat. Chat, man, looks like we pulling up in right now as we speak. Hopefully they ain't trying to make us park, gang, because I got the dirtiest whip out here though, bro. I haven't washed my car and I couldn't even tell you how long, chat. But everybody about to go stupiana crazy for the GT Bean. No kitty dean. We looking for parking. As you can say, man, say chat, gang, man. They like, who brought this dirty cruised ass car? And there's a new one of them Subaru things, bro. Sorry for disrespecting y'all boys, but I don't know what they're called. The parking might be limited, chat. We about to find out, bruh. Sorry, bit body bands. Gotta go big GTR on the inbound. Damn, an NSX, chat? Hey, we coming big exotic. Big exotic soon. God, chat. We about to go extra dumb. I'm about to have the dirtiest car up in this John, though. Not even gonna lie to y'all, gang. And we getting in for the free bean. I guess when you like that, chat. Man. Yeah, chat. That boy vlogging. Shout out to that boy. You know what I'm saying? If we can park right here, that I'm not aware of, gang.
Those guys just paid. They just said they were letting them in for free. They got in for free, don't pay.
I don't know what we on, gang, but one moment, chat. We beefing over the pay. Exotics and airplanes. Shit, chat.
Hey, I just got in an argument. He just let those guys in for free.
Yeah.
I got really mad. We're just gonna park right here.
Right. Nah, I'm good. I don't got cash on me, bro. Shit, chat. Well, this is where the video is going to end up, chat. If you do like that, as you can see, we got all the car content. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what car is your favorite, chat. And we are about to go hop on the big Sony A7C. So tap in, and y'all are going to see all these crazy 5 whips, chat.